show you how to make this rustic American sign. This is some Barnwood tongue and groove that we got from one of our farms. I cut it to 28-inch length, and what I'm going to do is offset it and put this pre-made sign on here. We got this from our local Hobby Lobby shop. You can look in your other stores too, but it's a metal sign with the letters already on it, so it makes it really easy to finish. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up the boards a little bit. I'm not going to do a whole lot to them because I want to keep the weathered look. So I'll just make sure it's clean, spray it for any bugs, and we'll go from there. I cut 2 small pieces of old flooring. It's tongue and groove too. I like to keep everything, old. I don't want to put a piece of brand new pine or something on there. But I pre-drilled a couple of holes, and I'm going to use this to attach the boards together. Much weight on this. These boards are pretty light, so I'm just going to use a wire and use that for a hanger. And with these 2 boards on the back here, it will make it stand out from the wall, but I like that because then it's not it's not just flat. It kind of makes a statement. So I'm just going to wrap these around here a couple times. Alright, it comes with pre-drilled holes on the outside edges. What I do though too is I also put some in the middle because sometimes it'll flex up if your boards are a little bit crooked or warped. So I already got one in. I'm going to go ahead and put one probably right smack in the middle here. And that will help keep it from flexing.